Hi children, good morning. Children, can you see this beautiful page here? It is from your phonics skill book, upper KG phonics skill book, and this is page number 1. You can see here it is page number 1. So in this beautiful page you can see many kiddos here. Yes. So today I'm going to revise A-E-I-O-U sound because today I'm going to teach you long vowel sound. What I'm going to teach you children? Today I'm going to teach you long vowel sounds. So I want to watch this video. Children, are you listening? I want parents and the children should watch this video together. Got it? So it's very important session. Today parents and children should watch this video carefully. Got it? So let's move on to the lesson. Okay. So children, you already know that the sounds, phonic sounds of A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Until yesterday, we have learnt short vowel sounds. What we have learnt children? We have learnt short vowel sounds. Got it? For short vowel sounds, we will pronounce like this. So in vowels we have A, E, I, O, U. Got it? So for A, we are pronouncing A. A. For E, so we are pronouncing A, like A L in Kannada, A. For I we pronouncing E, E ili we will say no. So for O we are pronouncing A. What is that? A. For U we are pronouncing A, just A. So today it is completely changed children. So today I am going to teach you long vowel sound. What is that? Long vowel sounds. So until yesterday we have learned short vowel sounds. Today we are going to learn long vowel sound. For long vowel sounds, so I will teach you here. Let's move on to page number. What is this? 18. Children, I want you to open page number 18 while watching this video. And parents, I want you to listen. So, open page number 18. What is the topic, children? Long A sound. Okay. So, for long A sound, how it become a long A sound? In short vowel sound, in short vowel, we will pronounce A as A. Just A. Keep in mind. So, but in long vowel sound, keep in mind how it becomes a long sound. How? So, it is short, no? How it becomes long? Question rises, no children? Okay, the heading is read aloud. See, read aloud. See, I am not saying A. Here I am pronouncing read aloud. Read aloud. Why? Why I am saying A? Why I am giving the sound A? So I should say A. No, why I am saying A for this? Because see, in this word we have 1, 2, 3. 3 vowels. Can you see here? A is a vowel, O is a vowel, and also U is a vowel. If you find 2 vowels in a word, this vowel will become silent and this first vowel will take a long sound. What it will take? It will take a long sound. See how we should pronounce now? Aloud. Aloud. See, O is silent here. We will pronounce A and U. That's all. A. Sorry. A. L. O is silent. A. D. Aloud. Children, let's move on to next word. What is this? Lake. Lake. See, we are not pronouncing A as A. We are pronouncing only A. So why? Because here we have two vowels. See, A is the first vowel, E is the second vowel. So we should cross E. We should not pronounce E. Keep in mind, we should not pronounce E sound. It is silent now because we have two vowels. So second vowel will be silent and the first vowel will take a long sound. What sound? Long sound. So we should, for long sound, we should pronounce A as A only. Got it, children? See, now L-A-K-E, lake. So again, see here we have two vowels, A and E. E is silent. So we should pronounce, we can't tell it as a gam. Gam. So it's not a short vowel, children, because we have two vowels. It is a long vowel. So we should pronounce A only. For A we should pronounce A only. The sound is A only. Got it? So G-A-G, G, A, M, game. G, A, M, game. Got it? Now here again we have two vowels. So we should cross this and it will become a long vowel. For long vowels, so sleeping lines comes on the up, children. While pronouncing, you can make this. So you will get the idea that it is a long vowel. See here we have two vowels. One we cancelled. This will become a long vowel. So cake. K-A-K, cake. Again plate. Two vowels we have. So we should cut this and this will become long. P-L-A-T, plate. What is a long vowel sound, children? What is a long vowel sound? A only. For A we will pronounce A only. Got it? So long vowel sound. Keep in mind. Long vowel sound. What is a long vowel sound? For A we will say A only. So gate. So two vowels cross this. It will become a long sound. G-A-T-E, gate. G-A-T, gate. So again we have two vowels here. We should cross I. So A will become a long sound. N-A-L, nail. See, we don't pronounce I. We are not pronouncing I here. Keep in mind. Because it is silent. N-A-L, nail. See, again it crosses. It takes a long sound. R. See, rain. R and rain. Got it, children? Rain. We will say only rain. Got it? Rain. R, in, rain. R, in, rain. Keep in mind. I will pronounce again. R, in, rain. I is silent. R, in, rain. Got it? Again we have a two vowels here. Cross E and long sound comes here. T, A, ball. Table. T, able, table. Got it, children? So I will do it faster. We should complete this page today. Cross this. Long sound comes here. Face, face. Cross this. Long sound comes here. Plane, plane. Cross this. Long sound comes here. Snake, snake. Cross this. Long sound comes here. Cane, cane. Cross this. Long sound comes here. Wake. Cross this. Long sound comes here. Late. Cross this. Long sound comes here. Date. Have you understood, children? So I will pronounce the words once again. Topic is long A sound. For long A sound we will say, for A we will say A only. Keep in mind, short vowels are different, long vowels are different. Keep in mind. Parents, please listen and explain the children. So what we have learnt, so that is one session. So short vowel sounds is one session. When it comes to long, it changes. Okay, keep in mind, no confusions. What the sounds are there for short vowel, it is the same. For long vowel, just you have to pronounce the same sound. For A, we will say A only. That's all. So because if you have two vowels in one word, the same sound comes. That's all, children. See here, in one word we have two letters, so we will pronounce A only. Here we have two vowels in one word, the sound comes A only. Here we have two vowels in one word, the sound comes same only. Got it? So I'll pronounce once again. L ek lake, lake lake. G aim game, game game. K ek cake, cake cake. Plate plate, plate plate. Gate gate, gate. Nail nail, nail. Rain rain, rain. Rain, we can say rain only, children. It is a perfect sound. Rain. Don't tell a rain. It is rain. Rain rain. Rain rain. Keep in mind. Table table. Table table. Face face. Face. Plane plane. Plane. Snake is snake. Snake is snake. Snake. Or we can say snake snake. Cane cane. Cane. Wake walk. Wake. Sorry children, I pronounced it wrong. Wake wake. Wake. Late late. Late. Date. Date. Once again, lake, game, cake, plate, gate, nail, rain, table, face, plane, snake, cane, wake, late, date. Got it, children? I hope you understood well. So I will send one more video from YouTube so that you can understand well, children. Please focus on the long sound and observe carefully. It is a very, very, very important session. Children and parents, please listen to me carefully. It is a very important session. So if you doesn't watch today's session, you will get a confusion in short and long vowel sounds. Please observe and practice on it today. Thank you. Children, today's homework is write numbers 1 to 200 one time and write cursive capital and small 2 times in 4-line notebook, and write given long A sound words 2 times in 4-line notebook. And for oral, send a video of long A sound pronunciation. Keep in mind, send a video of long A sound pronunciation. Thank